If you want to achieve faster, cleaner, and more reliable lockpicking results, instead of having a shaky tension wrench killing your feel, guessing depths, and risking keys with cheap tools, watch this. Here's how pros pick locks faster and cleaner. They use the right tools from Locksmith Keyless. The original Lishi Best A 2-in-1 gives you anti-glare, ultra-clean feedback for repeatable speed. The Lishi KW1 2-in-1 decodes Kwikset key decks instantly so you can finish the job quicker. And the Lishi HU49, it's pure high-precision decoding that protects expensive blades and remotes. This is the feel of control. Less guesswork, more jobs done, more profit in your pocket. Ready to level up? Stop struggling and start working smarter with Lishi. Shop now at a discounted price only at locksmithkeyless.com.